Ladies and gentlemen, we are in Quillbot and I'm going to run through the two packages that they have now. Of course, they do have a free package and it's available to everybody that has an email address. But we also have a premium package which we'd like to explore and see what they're actually offering and what they're actually asking. So, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let us dive in. We're going to go ahead and run through a couple of the features now. First of all, Quillbot is a paraphraser. Okay, so as you can see over here, we've got this area where we're going to enter some text and it's going to paraphrase this text. Now, the first thing that we noticed is that this currently comprises of 54 words, and now just copying and pasting this text, it is now up to 162 words, right? With the free version, you're only able to paraphrase 125 words at a time. Now, if you are working with larger documents, say 500 words, 1,000 words, I mean, even 500 words, you're having to put that breaking down into 4 parts so that you can paraphrase it. Then you have to take it back out and then you have to construct it again so that it looks like one article. So it's a bit of a constraint over there. And then we're going to have a look at some of the modes that the paraphraser actually offers. So we've got a couple modes here. Okay, you can see over here there's a few more. However, the standard and the fluency, those are the only two modes that are available when you are not using the premium. Okay, so 2 out of probably what they've got like 10. Okay, so it's not fantastic, but however, you can do your basics. Having a look at the grammar checker, the grammar checker does actually offer full disclosure with the amount of text that you can actually put in here. So really, you can go quite high up, and it is now, giving me a word count, and it's giving me some details over here. And again, it is not limited in this sense, so you can go ahead and you can add as many words over here as you would like. One of the other things is that you can download all of the paraphrases or the end results that they're giving you, which is a nice feature. It is a free feature. We also have the Quillbot Flow, which basically allows you to use a bunch of these features all in one space. So you can upload a new document, or you can start typing and you can create a grammar checker, as well as paraphrase, as well as plagiarism check, all in one space. Alright, the plagiarism checker coming onto this one here, this is not part of the free plan. So if you're looking for a good plagiarism checker, this will have to be part of the paid version. We also have AI detector, which is pretty good. It's pretty accurate. I've used it for a little while now and it's actually been pretty decent. So as you can see, I've entered that same text in here, and here what it has is it's got a minimum word limit. Okay, so it's 80 words. So once you tap on analyze text, you can see over here it immediately gives me a result that it says 100% of this text is likely AI generated, and it also gives you a breakdown. So AI generated with paraphrase, without, and then human written with paraphrase and without. You can see also next to each one of these items in the breakdown, there's some information, so you can just hold your cursor over that. So this does work, and it is in fact part of the free version. You can also use the summarizer, so you can pop some text in here and it'll just summarize it for you, which is very much similar to this shorten feature over here when you're running in the paraphraser. You also have a translator over here. You can see that this is also part of the free version, and then you have a citation generator, which is also fantastic. So all you have to do is paste your URL over here, and you could also cite manually. However, this is also limited in terms of how many you can do. Now let's go ahead and have a look at what the premium actually costs. So you've got very small limits. You've got the paraphraser, you've got a word limit here, and then you've got the plagiarism checker, which is also completely limited. It's off limits for the free version. So if we're going over to the right, it says upgrade to premium. You'll get over to this page here, and here you can see what they're actually offering. So you have the paraphrase unlimited text, the unlimited modes. You have access to advanced grammar suggestions, which is great. You also have the generate text with unlimited AI prompts, and then you can create custom summaries and prevent accidental plagiarism. Now, this does also give you a 3-day money back guarantee. So if you are using it and you are not really into it, you can get your money back. However, what they're actually asking for their premium package here is very little. If you're doing an annual plan, it works out to $4.17 a month. That's really not a lot of money. If you think about what you can spend that money on, and it's completely useless stuff. You also have the semi-annual, which gives you a $6.66 per month price. And then if you are just wanting to run on a month-to-month basis, you can just do their monthly package here, and you can see that that's $9.95. So $10 can get you per month all of these premium features. Now, if you want to use this and test it out and you're not doing sort of a lot on it, I say the free is awesome. Okay, there's nothing wrong with the free. It's giving you some nice little features, and you've got a couple limitations, but you can work around it. But if you are doing this sort of on a more of a full time, and if you have larger content, larger articles, many more words in the work that you're doing or the content that you're creating, you want to go ahead and invest $9.95 a month. It's really not a lot of money for what you're getting. If you have a look at all of these features over here, you have absolutely full disclosure for all of these features, including the extension that you can pop onto your Chrome browser, and you can use it while you're doing other work. If you're in other websites, if you're in Microsoft Word on your Chrome browser, if you're on a web page, you can actually use all of these features on that built-in Chrome extension. So the free version versus the paid version, in my opinion, the paid version is way worth more for the money that you're paying. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comment section below. We'd love to actually hear from you. We would like your honest opinion. We'll see you next time, folks. Cheers for now.